In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook not sending or receiving emails if messages are stuck, disappearing, or simply not arriving. Follow along as we work through the most common fixes in Outlook. Start by opening Outlook. Look down at the status bar. If you see Work Offline, go to the Send Receive tab on the ribbon and select Work Offline to toggle it. You want Outlook online before anything else. The icon in status should show connected. If it keeps flipping back to offline, that usually points to a connection issue. Make sure your internet is actually working. Try loading a web page or checking the Wi-Fi or Ethernet indicator. Outlook can't send or receive without a stable connection, so resolve any network hiccups first. Next, check the outbox. A single large message can block the queue for everything else. Open the outbox folder, select any stuck messages, and either delete them or drag them into drafts. If you still need to send a big attachment, consider compressing it or sharing a cloud link after you're back up and running. Manually trigger a sync. Press F9 on your keyboard, or in the Send Receive tab, choose Send Receive All folders. Watch the status bar for any error messages. They can help you pinpoint what's wrong. If you're expecting mail that hasn't arrived, look in the junk email folder. If you find legitimate messages there, move them back to the inbox and mark them as not junk. So Outlook learns your preference. Review your rules. Go to Settings, then Mail, then Rules, and look for any rules that move, delete, or categorize incoming messages in ways you didn't intend. Disable or remove the ones that are misfiring. Confirm you have mailbox space. When a mailbox is full, new mail won't arrive. Delete old emails, especially ones with large attachments, and don't forget to empty deleted items and junk to actually free up space. Check your current view. If you've applied a filter or you're in a focused or custom view, you might not see all messages. Switch the view to show all mail or clear filters so everything is visible. Finally, open Settings, go to Account, select your email account and choose Repair or review the server settings. Pay special attention to the outgoing mail server or SMTP, including the port number and SSL or TLS encryption. If you're unsure, verify these details with your email provider. Once you've made changes, run Send Receive again and test by sending yourself a message. That's it. Your Outlook should now be sending and receiving normally.